This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Gary Finkelstein. Spacious and beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with detached 1-bedroom, 1-bath guest house and workshop. The main residence features a brand new kitchen, new flooring, soaring vaulted tongue and groove cedar ceilings, an impact skylight, and an oversized primary suite. The open layout offers abundant natural light and a warm, inviting feel throughout. The property also includes an approximately 500 square feet workshop and a fully renovated 1-bedroom, 1-bath garage apartment with its own septic system and a large private deck, ideal for guests, extended family, or potential rental income. Additional features include a 40-year steel roof, freestanding generator with dedicated gas tank, deep well, sprinkler system, and newer septic system. The lush grounds showcase mature fruit trees including mango, lime, fig, and orange. Located on a quiet dead-end cul-de-sac with minimal traffic. Horses, RVs, and boats permitted. All improvements completed with permits. A rare and versatile opportunity offering space, functionality, and long-term value. For more information, review the details below.